Okay, guys, so he do not know that this is a smoke detector prank, so please stay tuned. It's about to go down. I ain't doing nothing for you. Say you a grown-ass woman. Maybe you a grown-ass woman. You wanna go? Yeah. Yeah. Are we gonna go? Alright, y'all, pause. Skirt. So right around this time, the speaker starts playing ads. We start playing sound at random ass times where it blow my cover.
Is that outside or inside?
I can't reach it.
Why is it going off? Really, Diamante? That's not fucking funny, dude. Okay, you're not getting anything now.
I'm sorry.
No.
No.
No, that's not funny to play like that.